How to fix Discovery Plus content not available in a reason. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is disable any sort of active VPNs or proxies. So for that, scroll down to your control panel, long press on these network icons. Then from here, make sure that your VPN is turned off just like this. So after doing that here, what you can actually do is check your location settings too. Ensure that your location permissions are enabled for the app on your mobile device or your smart TV. For that, you can scroll down, go back and open the settings of your phone. Then from here, you can simply search for your Discovery Plus, and when you do find the application, you can simply tap on that one, and then from there ensure that the location permissions are enabled. Even on your smart TV, make sure that is enabled, right? So after doing all of these, if it still did not work, then you can try to verify your subscription reason. Confirm that your subscription was created in the country where you are currently accessing it to. So after doing that, if all of that did not help, then try to clear all of the cache in order to refresh the geolocation data fetched by the server too. Simply clear all of the cache of the browser or the application if you're using application, and I'm pretty sure that it will help you fix the issue.